You know why you are here. Yes, for Discord Nitro. But before that, everyone gets free Nitro thanks to my videos, but only 4.1% of you have subscribed to my channel. This will get us nowhere. Let's do 12,500 this month. The ones who watch all my video would know that we need VPN to get free Nitro. I use Urban VPN. It's not a sponsor or anything. It's just something suits me. After getting Urban VPN extension or app, just switch to the US location and then refresh your Discord page. You should be able to see the new quests. The first quest is from the movie called Ted 2. I'm sure you have heard or watched its sequel. It's pretty famous. Anyway, this one gives out 700 orbs. Then it's the second quest from the movie Paramount. It's a big quest over 230 minutes or so. Take your time to watch it. Then the third quest is from Black Phone 2. If you're a regular on my channel, you must know that a few months back, we also played a game quest where we had to solve a puzzle at a phone booth to get 700 orbs. But in this one, you just need to watch the quest. In total, these 3 quests gives out 2,100 orbs. Make sure to claim them before they expire. There are also other quests pending like Valorant, and so on. I've already covered a video on it. Make sure to watch it. Now if you want the quest links, feel free to join my Discord support server and find Orbs channel. Now the reason why I mentioned free Nitro in my thumbnail is after claiming orbs, you can exchange them from a 3-day Discord Nitro. I also want to make it clear to a few that Orbs is an official feature of Discord. Getting Nitro from Orbs exclusive shops. This was a small one-liner for YouTube mods who think Orbs is illegal. I've also linked Discord's official article about the orbs in the description. You can join my main server if you want decors and layouts. We have banners, PNGs, and all kinds of layouts that you need. My main server is also for mental health and Genshin. When you click the join link, fill out a form explaining why you have joined us. A staff will accept you. Then go to Verify channel and simply verify yourself to activate all the channels. Just don't join my main server if you want free Nitro or Orbs links. You can join my support server instead. And if you guys like this video, hit the like and subscribe button so the video gets into algorithm.